In this video, we are unboxing and setting up Reolink Loomis. Reolink Loomis is an outdoor Wi-Fi security camera with motion-activated spotlight, two-way talk, and siren alarm. Light up your entryways, front or backyards, and keep you secure. In the box, you'll find the spotlight camera, camera bracket, quick start guide, and other parts to help you use and install. Reolink Loomis comes with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera covering 100 degrees wide-angle view and a bright LED spotlight triggered by motion activities and scaring off would-be burglars. 6 pieces of IR LEDs with 33 feet full-color night vision, PIR motion sensor. You get notified in the customized zones and know what matters. Two-way talk with any visitors through built-in mic and speaker. And the micro SD socket and the reset button. To set up Reolink Loomis Spotlight camera in Reolink app, make sure it is well plugged in. Launch Reolink app, click Add New Device button, and scan the QR code on the camera. Then it will walk you through setting up with in-app instructions.
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
Reolink Loomis is weatherproof. You can install it on a wall at your front door, in the backyard, in the driveway. Before installation, select an installation height. Install the camera 7 to 10 feet above the ground. This maximizes the detection range of the motion sensor. When mounting the camera, pre-drill holes by using the included mounting hole template. Screw the base of the camera bracket to the wall. Attach the other part of the bracket to the base and screw to lock it in. Then, insert the camera, turn it anti-clockwise to lock in the bracket. Adjust the camera direction if needed. Now you are ready to use your Reolink Loomis and access live view in the app anywhere, at any time.